Hi, my name is Don Briggs and I'm a member of the team at Breadboard Electronics. This is Project 42 Strobe LEDs. This is very similar to the previous project, but we've wired up the 4017 chip in a slightly different fashion. Now what we've done, we've evenly spaced them out to actually just show you a slightly different way of wiring it. In the previous project we showed a loop back on the 4017 back to pin 15. Here we haven't done that. What we've done is we've actually evenly spaced the connections with 2 empty points here and 2 empty points at the end, so it'll basically go down in that order and come back and start all over again, so quite evenly spaced. Now a strobe light normally has white LEDs, but we don't have white LEDs in the starter kit, but again, why exclude you from building this nice little project? Now if those LEDs are close proximity, they will look like a strobe light. Here's the breadboard layout, quite well spaced out, easy to see what's what, and we'll run that and you can see it does exactly the same. Lovely little project, just for something else. It's very similar to some of the earlier 555 flasher circuits we had, but this time it's the 555 is only giving the clock pulse to the 4017, and the 4017 is doing its work in an orderly fashion, if you like. You can change the way the 4017 is wired. You don't have to do it with gaps in between. You could put a variable in here to change the clock pulse to it, and you could put a loop back here as we did in Project 41. You can do all sorts with it. You can muck around. There's not much you can do wrong. You can't destroy it, I don't think. Hopefully, maybe, possibly. Obviously these resistors are needed for the LEDs so that you don't actually destroy those. Again, they could be reduced slightly, but for general purpose LEDs it's better to stick with something like a 330 ohm resistor. We know it's safe, we know it works. That's the end of Project 42. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Project 42 Strobe LEDs. This is very similar to the police lights circuit, where we have a 555 and 4017 in here. The wiring is slightly different on the 4017, as you can see on the circuit diagram. What else? There's a couple of transistors up here. Again, transistor as a switch. Same old. I've put 4 red LEDs in it because I know the starter kit has 4 red LEDs, but strobe light is historically only has 1, as white rather. So if you've got white LEDs, try them in there. They're no good on a video anyway, white LEDs, it's just a bit too bright. If I plug those in, it just strobes. Now obviously if you mix these up, so this side is in the middle of those two, that sort of thing, then it would look a bit different, but if you bunch them all together, I'm sure they would give you a lovely strobe effect. That's it for Project 42. Thank you for watching.